عن الشلاك يشوى نصارد أمر لنا أن أنت مشيك
هو أنا تقسم برناش في بيمين خير تبقى أنا نشمي
The message of Jesus Christ was a simple message. He said to his people when they asked him, "Oh, Rabbi, teach us how to pray." He said, "Our Father who art in heaven." He didn't say, "My Father who I'm with in heaven. Hallowed be, praise be thy name." Not my name and our name, but thy name. Thy kingdom come. Not my kingdom come, but thy kingdom come.
Dajjal will now attack. He's now in a day which is like our day. And so we see him, a Jew, a young man, powerful, built, curly hair. The Prophet ﷺ pointed his hands to the east 20 times. And he said he's going to come from the east. 20 times, said Muhammad ﷺ. He can come from the east. When he attacks, he's going to be riding on a donkey, which will travel as fast as the clouds, and which is have his hair stretched out wide. And east of Medina and Mecca is the Saudi Air Force Base, which is now also an American Air Force Base in Dhahran. As they attack Mecca and Medina, the angels defend Mecca and Medina. This is there in Sahih Muslim. and the attack is diverted to Damascus. And then the confrontation takes place. Dajjal is outside and the Imam is inside the masjid. And now history repeats itself. The Jews are rubbing their hands. We got them now. There's no escape. We got them. We have them in our sights now. As someone else was rubbing his hands, as his army was approaching them, and in front of them was the sea, and behind them is the army, and they're rubbing their hands. We got them now. Who was he? Fir'aun. And so history repeats itself. But at the last moment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to Musa alayhi salam, take your rod and strike the water. And then the divine intervention took place, the miracle. And the believers were saved. As the Jews are rubbing their hands, we've got them now, we've cornered them. At that last moment, history repeats itself. The Son of Mary comes down, with his hand resting on the wings of two angels.
ثم اتخذوا العجل من بعد ما جاءتهم البينات فعفونا عن ذلك وآتينا موسى سلطانا مبينا ورفعنا فوقهم الطور بميثاقهم وقلنا لهم ادخلوا الباب سجدا وقلنا لهم لا تعدوا في السبت وأخذنا منهم ميثاقا غليظا فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم وكفرهم بآيات الله وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق وقولهم قلوبنا غلف بل طبع الله عليها بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا وبكفرهم وقولهم على مريم بهتانا عظيما وقولهم إنا قتلنا المسيح عيسى ابن مريم رسول الله وما قتلوه وما صلبوه ولكن شبه لهم وإن الذين اختلفوا فيه لفي شك منه ما لهم به من علم إلا اتباع الظن وما قتلوه يقينا